Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Good, now I'll sing a line and then you echo it back, ready? See if you can do the actions too, because I think that helps. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Good job. Let's see if we can do the whole thing together with the actions. Ready? Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Lovely job. And then we can add movement to that and some instruments. Okay, let's transfer that to our feet now. So we're going to step out with one foot and pull the other one in. Step out and in, and out, and in, and out, and in. Let's go the other way. Step and together, step and together, step and together, step and together. Let's add the music this time. Ready? Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Other way. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Okay, let's do our moves for the Funge Alafia in the circle this time with polka and viola. Okay? So we're going to go round in the circle from one way. Remember the steps? Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Other way. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Funge Alafia, ashe, ashe. Let's do the steps. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step, together. Other way. Step, together, step, together, step, together, step, together.